So today, I think they just dropped the MV today. Today I'll be reacting to KNK or KNK. It's pronounced KNK, just to let you know. Their song and MV, Rain. Now, I read somewhere on one of the K-pop amino app that they were having member troubles. I'm not sure if these rumors were true or not, but could somebody please inform me what is going on? Obviously, I mean, they're still there because they just had to come back, but I need to know what happened and what went down, because they said that 2 of the members were leaving and they were going to get a new member. So if you have any information, please leave it in the comments below. But without further ado, KNK's Rain. Now, I forgot all the members' name, which is pretty sad, but I think this one's Seungjun. Yeah, I'm not even going to try. Sorry. I'm just going to get right into this. Is it a K-pop MV if there's no running in there? Or a tunnel? Damn, they all look good. Still. Sir, those flowers are dead. And we're already with... Holy shit. That guitar, though. Snaps. Snaps. I'm sorry. I know the song's called Rain and I should have expected it, but nobody said that they were dancing in the rain. I didn't watch the teaser, so I wouldn't know. Oh, okay. I want to rewind it just a little bit. Okay. Sir, no. Did you not think you were going to cut yourself on broken glass? I swear if it's a member check. How the fuck? I know he's on my, I forgot his name. Oh shit. It's him and the other one that was sitting at the bus stop. They are so freaking tall. Somebody's running from them. There's a random piano in the tunnel. I love his hair. Yes. Yes. Ooh, that was rude. Ooh, that effect though. So this is about a breakup? I'm just gonna guess. Or are they running from something? That'll be my job, just to hold the umbrella. Ooh, yes, that high note. So you were running, now you're playing the piano. Oh, see, no. Something is pulling them underwater. That's when you run.